Hey everyone, welcome to episode 67. On today's episode, we're going to take a look at needles and thread and stitching on your Cobra Class 29-18 sewing machine. So let's dive right on in and take a look. Let's begin by changing out the needle. Loosen the front small screw and your needle will slide out with ease. Remember, it's recommended to change out your needle every 8 hours of actual usage. Insert the new fresh needle all the way in and make sure the needle scarf is facing to the right before tightening down the locking screw. Here's what a properly loaded needle should look like when facing the correct direction. When changing out the needle, be careful because the needle can slip out and will fall straight through the machine hole. To change the stitching length, there is a knob on the rear side of the presser foot. Loosen the knob and move the slide down or up for adjustments. The higher you go, the smaller the stitch length is, and the lower you go, the longer the stitch length is. Lock it back into place when done. Now test out different stitch lengths that you like on some scrap leather to find the best results for you. Let's talk needles. When replacing your needle, the needle style you insert is all depending on what material you are sewing. There are 135 by 16 needles for sewing leather goods and 135 by 17 needles for sewing non-leather goods, such as canvas or nylon. You can see these needles on the left have a cutting edge and are for leather, while the right side needles are more pointed for piercing non-leather products. Different style and size needles all work with the Cobra Class 29-18 patching machine, and you can also use any major needle brand as long as you stay within the 135 by 16 and 135 by 17 needle system. For thread size, you can use 46, 69, 92, and 138 on this machine. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That does help this channel grow. And I'll see you on next week's episode. Take care.